Hey Sonic, do you want to play a prank? What kind of prank, Junior? We'll pull the fire alarm. No, I don't want to. Junior! Oh! Alright, Jackie Chu. What changes do you want to make to your class? I want my class to stop being silly and... There's a fire alarm!
Oh my bulletin bumper! The fire alarm's going off and there's no teacher!
Don't worry, Brum. Sonic's the oldest. He should know what to do. Green balls!
It's too loud! Turn it off!
What are we going to do? It won't stop!
Not cool! Where's Junior?
I know what to do. Line up and head to the nearest exit. When everyone got out of the building... Oh, what could have set the fire alarm off? I know who it was, Principal Steinbeck. It was Junior. He tried to play a prank on the school by setting the fire alarm off. He tried to drag me into it, and I said no, but he just went and did it anyway. Oh, Junior! Get over here this instant! Yes, Principal Steinbeck? Why did you set the fire alarm off for a silly prank? Because I hate school and I wanted to get revenge on Jackie Chu. Well, Junior, it's not my fault you get F's in your report cards.
That was most definitely not cool, Junior.
What were you thinking? I mean, dragging Sonic into it? You could have gotten him in trouble.
Junior, why would you do that? The school could have been on fire.
Junior, why would you even do that? That's it. This friendship is over. What is your problem? We thought the school was burning down.
Oh, my wheels and wipers! It was you the whole time!
Why would you try and drag me into this? I want to be a sensible and well-behaved student. Junior, how dare you set the fire alarm off? You've made your classmates angry, and I'm sure your teacher is angry. I am angry, Principal Steinbeck. I'm actually speechless. Junior, that behaviour was unacceptable. You're expelled. And you're getting an F on your report card, 'cause you're dumb. You fail. I'm sorry. Your apology is unaccepted. Go home right now. That is also what you get for trying to drag me into something that I didn't want to do. When Junior got home... Oh! Junior, how dare you prank the school by setting the fire alarm off and try to drag Sonic into it? That's it. You're grounded for 100 years. Go to your room right now. Wow.